we have conducted a workshop along with introductory course to advanced laparoscopic surgery. I'm very thankful to Dr. Management and Dr. Samra especially and the team of this hospital and my colleagues who have made this day for the younger colleagues from periphery, from Himachal, from Punjab, from Haryana, railways and ESI hospitals. I have travelled a long journey starting from simple general laparoscopy to today's advanced laparoscopy surgery. Now the time has come. What I saw self-learning has turned into training programs, and we have tried to make a program in which we have called very expert faculty from Delhi, Dr. Vivek Bindal, who is director performing robotic and bariatric surgeries and GI surgeries and advanced laparoscopic surgeries, along with Dr. Prem Arora from Delhi, his colleague, and they are experts in this field. So my friends from periphery have got advantage to have skilled, direct hands-on and their queries and questions solved regarding this. So I wish them as well as the hospital that this kind of training program should go on, and we should spread this skill so that the humanity and the society is benefited by this low-key surgery.
In today's era, there is a dire need to provide patients the access to these laparoscopic procedures so that they are able to recover fast with minimal morbidity and minimal blood loss. Creation Hospital, Mohali is one of the best centers I have been to, and it has all the operating equipment at par with the international standards. I am impressed with their training facilities, their intent to train more and more surgeons in the field, and I wish them all the best in this noble venture. I would say that all the surgeons who are operating on patients should learn laparoscopic skills so that they can provide better outcomes to their patients, and we are always there to help them. This is a wonderful initiative by Dr. Samra and his team, Dr. Ashok Sharma, Dr. Renu, Dr. Manish, who have put in great efforts to train surgeons from all across the region in this keyhole surgery, also called laparoscopic surgery, for hernia and uterine procedures.
I am giving a lot of thanks to Dr. Samra and as well as Dr. Ashok, who has given me this privilege to come here and to conduct the workshop.
We had some experience in handling the laparoscopic instruments, and then we underwent some live workshops like laparoscopic surgeries, etc. It was quite an enriching experience, and it would contribute into my skill development in the future.
It's a very good initiative taken by the Creation Hospital to invite doctors from both in the Tri-City and the adjoining areas who need to update or have hands-on training in this laparoscopy, various procedures in the general surgery or gynae, and it has been very useful to learn from their experiences and update our knowledge, and having first-hand experience, teaching experience, and also the actual experience in the operation theatres, how to go about the different procedures, which are advanced procedures for undergoing the different surgeries.
Delegates who attended the workshop were both gynecologists and surgeons. In this workshop, we had endotrainer session, which is supervised by our faculty, in which we had different tasks to enhance hand-eye coordination and endo-knotting and suturing. And we had session to make them familiar with different instruments and equipments used in laparoscopic surgeries, and a lecture on different energy sources used.
We at Creation Hospital organized a training program for general surgeons and for gynecologists. It was basically an introduction to the advanced laparoscopy work. The delegates who attended this program had a hands-on experience in our dry lab on the endo trainers. This was followed by the demonstration of live surgeries in our operation theatre. We demonstrated total laparoscopic hysterectomies, and laparoscopic hernia repair surgery. The delegates got the first-hand experience of how it is to work in advanced laparoscopy only. During the live demonstration of the surgeries, we discussed about the finer nuances involved in the advanced laparoscopic work, and we also discussed in detail about the tips and tricks of the advanced laparoscopic work. It was basically an interactive session between the faculty and the attending delegates, and they were taught the finer skills of advanced laparoscopic suturing. Because in laparoscopic surgery, they say if you cannot suture, you have no future.